It's good. Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog, health journey, weight gain, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so so here's the story. So I've been getting those dragon drinks at Starbucks for like literally at least maybe 5 times a week. 5 times a week, a venti is $5, and that adds up. So I figured, why not make my own? So let's get into it. So you're gonna need mason jar, just dragon fruit, mango, almond milk / coconut milk, and these natural pitaya plus all natural bite-sized cubes of dragon fruit. That's it. That's all you need. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of this Welch's juice. Here goes nothing. So this is my dragon drink that I created. It kind of looks like the pink drink a little bit, but it has dragon fruit. Guys, it tastes exactly like it. No, seriously, if not better. It's good. Yeah, definitely gonna be making this from now on. That is something that I'm always gonna make. I'm no longer going to Starbucks to get that drink and spending so much money on that drink anymore. So please make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe if you like videos like this. But until next time, you guys know what I always say. Deuces!